Hello everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you how to apply for senkyu points, and before going through that, I would like to let you know how do you get these senkyu points after applying for them. Whenever you make a transaction on your MTN Number account, these senkyu points keep on piling whenever you make a transaction. So how are they helpful? Once they pile up, you can go check, and they can enable you to get MBs, or you can get minutes. You can use those senkyu points to get minutes, SMSs, or MBs. That's how they are useful. So let's dive in quickly. Get onto your phone, then dial in this code, which is *141#. But for me, I already applied for senkyu points. But onto your phone, you will just accept and be able to apply for the senkyu points. So for me, I'm already onto the senkyu points, so I can do check my points, and I can do use my points. If I want to use my points, I can do check the current points I have. I have 6 points so far, but remember, they keep on piling. You shouldn't worry about them. Just keep on making your transaction, and later on you can come and check out how big they are. Then you can use them to get MBs or SMSs. Thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you next time.